Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. We got another easy to make beautiful Valentine's wreath working with ribbons and a bunch of roses. If you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button, boing, and you guys will be notified and much appreciation to that. With that said, let's get rolling. Today we are working with a bunch of beautiful variety of roses. We are working with our ribbon. We got a 12-inch roll of red ribbon. I got my leftovers. I had a whole bunch of different ribbons, so I thought I am going to do something with them. So we got a 50 length of this, and we got a 43-inch of this. We got another 30-inch and a 21-inch. You know, recycle your items. They'll come out to have a beautiful creation. We also got some of these beautiful hearts, and we also got this item, which I put glue on a pipe cleaner and just attached it here. We got a 24-inch wreath. Let's go. Okay, first things first. See how it's all puffy? You know, kind of push it in so these kind of push it in so you know you can't see all the greenery. Just kind of push it in. So when we put our items up, we can't see a lot of that greenery. It'll look a little bit better right there. Okay, there we go. Let's get some right here. How's everybody doing today? I am doing just fine. Just fine just being here. So happy. Okay, enough talking. Let's go. We are going to do our 12-inch, 2 loops. 12 inches. We are going to do 12-inch length and put together. I'm going to bring this one over to this side. 12-inch length. And there it is. And there it is. And we are going to pin this beauty right up here. I got this stuck here, so I know where I'm going to put it. All wreaths don't come out the same, but look at that. Then we are going to get this one. We're going to work our way down, and all the way down through the wreath, we are going to do 2 loops. 1. Hey, hey. What's happening? I'm on YouTube. We undo the YouTube, you know well. Okay, there we go right here. We got another one. Say good morning, everybody. Then we're going to work our way down. And get another beauty going. 1. 1. Whip it around this way. And 2. This is so beautiful. This glowing, glittery ribbon. Yes, it is. Okay. Some lucky Valentines will have this ribbon, huh? They'll be like, ooh, look at where'd you get that one? And you made it. It'll be a special one because you made it. Okay, how much length we got again? I think we got enough for 2 more hoops. Woo! 2 more hoops. Turn it this way and bam. Pay attention, mama. Okay, here we go. We got this going. Wow, look at that, everybody. Look what we accomplished. Such a beauty. Look at it. Ooh. Okay, now we're going to spin this guy around and we are going to get wild. Nope, we ain't right now. We are going to work with these. We got a 50-inch. I'm going to use the leftover ribbons. Let me see where we're going to put this one. I think we're going to adjust this guy. Yeah, we're going to adjust this guy a little bit up. No, he was there. Okay, I'm just wondering. There we go. I'm visualizing. Like I said, step back and visualize. It gives you more visualize where you got to put your things and, you know, balance them out. Okay, here we go. We're going to get this pink one. We're going to do the 12-inch loop. I think we got enough for 1, and 2. Here we go again. Yeah, we'll put this guy right here. There we go. There, how beautiful is that? Woo. There we go. Then we're going to just get a 1 of these. We're just going to put 1. We are just going to put 1 because that's all we got left for, but it'll help it be beautiful. Okay, look at that. Should have ironed my ribbon, huh? But hey, just a sample now. Give you guys some ideas or inspirations, you know. Now the other one is a 43-inch. 43-inch ribbon. We're going to balance ours out. So I think we're going to go over here with this big eye. Yeah. We're going to, maybe right here, huh? We're going to put this one right in here. Right there. Right, let's move them up a little bit. We're going to move this guy right here. Right there. Get the tail going. And 1. We're going to make 1, 2. 1, 2. You can make little shorter ones on this one. There. And we're going to pin this right up in here. I think yes, we are going to. Okay. Come on. You got it, Mama. 1. I think these would be like 10-inch or 9-inch length. You know, you could just make your lengths different, the size how you want them, to put them on your wreath, you know. Just be creative and visualize, and I think we got it right here, huh? That cool? Everybody, that's cool, huh? Okay, wow, how lovely that looks. Now we got her 30-inch. Remember now we're using our recycled ribbons. Get them out and put them to use and make a beautiful creation. We are going to get these guys down here. Put some down here. There we go. Yeah, okay, this is just going to be a 1 loop. We're going to do a 1 loop right here. Ay, mama. Pay attention, huh? We're going to do a 1 loop right here. 1 loop. There we go. Then we're going to bring this one down, and we're just going to pin a little bit down right here. Just a little bit. See? You can just let it fly away itself. How lovely is that? How's it looking, everybody? How's it looking? Leave a comment or a thumbs up. Because we still got more to go on this. Ooh, I told you, this is going to be a beauty. We're going to get 1 more up here. I think it's just going to be a 1 hoop. Let's just get that 1 hoop. Like that. And let's just get that. Just like you're decorating your tree, like I say, you know. Done ribbons on your tree. Then we got this going right here. Look at. And there it is with the ribbons, everybody. Wow. Just get them all puffed out, puff them out. And okay, now we are going to go wild with the roses. Whoa, shoot, look at this. Wow, so beautiful. Just like that. Look at it, buddy. How lovely. Okay, let's go. We got this big one. We're going to get right here. We just got a variety of colors. Let's go wild with them. Balance your items out. Some red there. Just where you think the red will go, put the red there. My little, there we go, right there. I got some of that. Does anybody know the name of these ones? If you do, leave it in the comment box. These are beautiful. I got a bunch of these. I just haven't used them really. But yes, I would like to know the name. There, let's switch this right here. Let's get these guys down there. Get some roses up here. Just go wild with these guys. Look. Ooh. Get some other colors. Step back and visualize. Ooh, look at it. This is just so beautiful. Look at it. We just gotta pin all these up and here. Look at it. Beautiful. We got a box of roses now. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just so beautiful working with these roses. It'd be so beautiful if they were real, you know. Oh, the smell. I love roses. They're so beautiful. And you could keep them, and you know, when they're dead, they're done, they're not dead. You could flip them over and put them in a closet and dry them. They look beautiful like that also. You can have them forever and ever. Okay, how's that looking, everybody? Woo! Look at this. I think we got to get a different color right there because, yeah. Let's get this over here. Get some up here, right here. Wow, Mama's just going wild with these roses, Noah. We on the YouTube? We making another beauty. Yes, Cindy, look at this. Ooh. We're getting it. We're getting it. I think I'm going to put a rose right here. This one right here. We got carnations. We got roses. And just use your imagination and go wild with these beauties. Let them shine, you know. Let them shine and let them shine. Look. Oh my gosh. Who would not like this for their Valentine's? A big old bundle of love. Look at this. Wow, this is coming out so beautiful. Where can I put this one? I think I'm going to switch it up and put this big guy in there. Nah. Keep you, because balance out the colors, remember now. I think I'll get this big guy up here. Just fill in the spaces where you think that needs a space. I mean, a filler. The garritaries. Okay, let's see any more going on up here. Ooh. Ay, 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 Papa. You all right? There we go, and I think we got it, everybody. Oh, look at this. Ah! Let's get our Z's going on and put that there over here. Look at this, everybody. Oh my, look at this. How's it looking again, everybody? I think we got it. Uh-oh. We forgot. We got to put these in here. Let's get some of these wired up. I mean, hearts. Well, some of them have wires. Some of them have sticks. Put them in there. Variety colors. More texture to your beautiful wreath. There we go. Hey! Look at this. Papa, look at my beautiful creation I made. Ooh. Here, let's get this guy over with the pink. There we go. We got another one up here. Ay, ay, ay. There it is, everybody. I think we got it once again. Ooh. Okay, let me pick this up and get this guy able to be seen now. Oh, look at this beauty. Turn it around and try to get it. Oh, yeah, I'm just throwing everything around. Picked up a little bit so our lovely fans could see what we created today. With that said, I think we got it, everybody. How's it looking? Let me see what you guys looking at. Oh, look at that. How beautiful, huh? Use your imagination and be creative and you will come out with a lovely, look at this. Wow. Just a bundle of roses going on and ribbons. Wow, it came out lovely. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. I appreciate you guys much and happy Valentine's Day. And let's just have a good day and smile. Once again, I appreciate you all much. Until next time, see ya. Ooh, look at that.